Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to participate in community events using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. To participate in community events using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet, follow these steps. First step is stay updated on community events. Follow Unstoppable social media, join official Unstoppable Crypto Wallet channel on platforms like Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and Reddit. These channels often announce community events such as airdrops, promotion, contest, or collaboration with other blockchain projects. Subscribe to newsletters. Subscribe to any newsletter or blog that provide updates on wallet features and community activities. Second step is to join community forums and groups. Telegram and Discord group from where you can participate in Unstoppable official community chat groups. Third is to participate in airdrops and giveaways. Follow social media accounts, join specific community groups, and complete tasks like sharing posts or participating in discussion. Some events may also require holding specific token in your wallet to be eligible. Fourth step is to attend webinar or AMA. Look out for webinar, live stream, or Ask Me Anything sessions organized by the Unstoppable Wallet team or partners. These events are often announced on social media or via email. Fifth step is to engage in beta testing and feedback program. If Unstoppable Wallet team offer beta testing programs, sign up for participation. This may allow you to test new features like public release and give feedback. By staying involved in Unstoppable community through social media, event, and forum, you can actively participate in various events and contribute to the wallet's growth and the future development. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.